Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a synthetic wig that promises to transform your look in seconds. Meet the Synthetic Wig Isla in Sunset Red. This wig features a LaceFront design, giving it a realistic, natural hairline, and it's crafted with synthetic fiber, which means it offers a no-fuss, maintenance-free look. But does it deliver the versatility and wearability you might expect from a synthetic wig? Let's find out together. Let's break this product down. The Isla Synthetic Wig in Sunset Red is made with synthetic fiber, offering the appearance and movement of natural hair without the need for frequent styling. It features a HeritageCap design for comfort and breathability and an RTW, ready-to-wear lace front that ensures a seamless natural hairline. The color shown here is Rooted Blonde, but today we're specifically looking at the Sunset Red option, which is a deep, rich red with darker roots. As for the fit, the wig measures 12 to 13 inches overall, with varying lengths across different sections. 5 to 7.5 inches at the bangs, 5 to 6 inches on the sides, and 6 to 8.5 inches at the crown. The nape is around 4 to 4.5 inches, and it weighs just 3.11 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to wear for long hours. The cap size is adjustable between 21-inch and 22-inch through an elastic band, ensuring a customizable fit. Let's talk about how it performs. When I first tried the Isla wig, I was impressed by how easily it slid on. The adjustable cap made it a perfect fit for my head size, and the lightweight design made it feel comfortable. The lace front is definitely a standout feature. It blends well into the hairline, making it nearly impossible to tell it's a wig unless you're up close. I've worn it on a few occasions now, both during casual outings and a more dressy evening event, and it held up remarkably well. The texture of the synthetic fiber feels soft to the touch, and it has just the right amount of movement, which makes it look more like real hair than some other wigs I've tried in the past. Now let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, the wig's design is super comfortable. The HeritageCap is breathable, so I didn't feel overheated or itchy even after wearing it for hours. The Sunset Red color is bold, vibrant, and eye-catching, which makes it perfect for anyone looking to make a statement. The lace front does a great job of mimicking a natural scalp, which is crucial for making synthetic wigs look more believable. Plus, the overall weight is light. Definitely a plus for anyone new to wearing wigs or those who need an all-day style without discomfort. However, there are a few downsides to consider. The synthetic fibers, while looking great initially, can get a little stiff after a few uses, especially if you're exposed to humidity or wind. Unlike natural hair, you can't restyle synthetic wigs as freely, so you might be limited in terms of long-term styling options. Additionally, the Sunset Red color might not suit everyone's complexion, as it's quite bold and intense, so keep that in mind when choosing your shade. As for value for money, at its price point, the Isla wig offers solid performance. It provides an easy way to switch up your look without committing to permanent changes. Considering the price of synthetic wigs in general, this one strikes a decent balance between quality and affordability. If you're looking for something on the more luxurious side, you may want to consider human hair alternatives. But for those after a vibrant, low-maintenance look, Isla is a great choice. In comparison to other wigs on the market, Isla stands out because of its adjustable cap and realistic lace front. Some similar synthetic wigs can feel bulky or too shiny, but Isla keeps it natural while still being lightweight. The Sunset Red color also adds a bit of drama and flair that's perfect for bold style statements. When it comes to build quality and longevity, the materials used are typical for a synthetic wig, durable, but not as long-lasting as human hair. With proper care, and that means avoiding excessive heat styling, Isla should hold up for several months. However, be mindful that the fibers may lose some of their softness over time, especially with frequent wear. As for customer support, I haven't had direct experience reaching out to the brand, but based on their reputation, they seem to be responsive to customer queries. If you're ever in doubt, the company behind Isla is known for offering clear instructions on how to care for your wig, which is a bonus for newcomers to synthetic wigs. In terms of product alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, there are a few other synthetic wigs in similar styles and colors. though none offer quite the same level of natural-looking lace front and comfort. That said, if you're willing to spend a little more, you could opt for a human hair wig that offers more styling flexibility. Now for my final verdict. Isla in Sunset Red is a fun, stylish wig that works well for anyone looking to experiment with a bold new look. Its lightweight feel and breathable cap make it a solid option for those new to wigs or seasoned wig wearers alike. However, if you're someone who prefers versatility in styling or needs a wig that will last longer, you might want to explore higher-end options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've tried the Isla wig or have any other experiences with synthetic wigs, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.